What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing one-piece windows. No, I'm just kidding. I am trying to fix the vent windows. I think it would look cool if they did make one-piece windows, but I don't got that kind of coin. So it turns out that it's a pain in the butt to get the wing window part out of here. Now, it's just like a Volkswagen. Got that little thing to keep the door from splitting. Mine looks like it's already came apart. That might need to be welded and grinded. But you got to take this damn felt trim out so you can pull out the wing window. Other than that, it's fairly easy. I took out the regulator, 4 screws. The window stop goes here, and then the slider rail. Now my trim is dry, oh so dry that it was just falling off in chunks. I'll probably order some new stuff. I didn't want to at this point, but hey, if I'm fixing all the seals, I might as well. But if I could pull off one-piece windows, I think that would look cool. Be easier to see this damn mirror too. So over here, we have our factory numbered but aftermarket parts from this guy again. So it comes with the 2 of those, and then the felting back pieces. So on this guy here, it's pretty basic. Let's see, here's more of focus you fuck chunks. That's how hard it sounds. Once you get this screw out, this pops apart. Put in your new seal. The weird part is going to be trying to rivet the seal that goes back here, which is these guys here, these little rivets. Other than that, I've been at this probably maybe a half hour trying to figure out how to pull this thing out without fucking up too much shit. So basically the felts for the windows have to come out for this guy to slide past that gap for you to get it out. And then yeah, I'm just trying to get all the window rattling down. And then the other weird thing, check this shit out. This guy, flippy floppy, Jesus Christ. On that, the teeth look fine. It's just, I got to play in that hole there. I don't know if you could see that. So, if it's weldable, I'm just going to weld the piss out of it. I might take it apart to weld it. From what I could tell, it might just be a press fit. I mean, it moves it, but then it just vibrates off, and then the window starts dropping lower and lower. Which actually cuts down on the whistling, because these things whistle so bad with all the gapping in it. You know me. See that? See that gap? You can see me. I can see you. It's terrible. It's just all blown to shit. That's why I'm replacing them. I don't know if they sell this thing complete like they do for the Mustangs. From what I've seen for the Mustangs, if you are replacing this and you don't have a full frame door, it is somewhat easier, and you might as well just buy the whole complete thing, because if you're trying to stick the glass back down, replace the stupid little latch, and put new felt and stuff in here, you might as well pay for the whole thing and save your ass a whole world of hurt. So right now, I'm seeing how bad my hurt's going to be, so let me see if I could try to actually do a time lapse for once. So there we go. I guess unlike the Mustangs, my actual top pivot point here that holds it down actually comes off. You know, so that's that. Like that. Which went into there to hold this down. On the Mustangs, I guess this is spring loaded. You push it down and then you could plop it out, but this one unscrewed. So my latch isn't the firmest there. It has a little wave washer in there. Unless I want to try to knock out that pin and put a new wave washer in there, I ain't gonna mess with it. And then for fun, not sponsored, this came in the mail. So I'm going to play with the RC car later. So now I got to knock out all this dead trim. I do mean dead. Crispy. Oh, so crispy. Yeah, so as you hear, how's that? So let's cut to something else instead of me messing with this. So I get the trim back in. So where we left off last, I was trying to clear the old stripping off the window. So I managed to get all the new stuff on. Even that seal there and even the rivets. Turns out the window guide does come off. Should have known better, but yeah, whatever. This actually just pries off of that. It's just pinched in there and would have made life probably a lot easier taking the whole window assembly out. But I did order, by my own mistake, this part number here. This is for convertible. See how the tips are just cut off? Turns out you need ones that look like this, that actually have ends, and they are actually longer. And they go by, allegedly, that part number. So, I reassembled everything, threw a little PB blaster on there to take the rust down, and it does actually operate. I just stop breaking it. So I replaced that seal in the back here, and then all that new rubber there. And then it actually does close and latch like it's supposed to. Nice and snug. Let me get the thing out of the way. Let's put them up here for a second. So, like I said, this might need some adjusting. And then, well, you can see my rivets there. If at all, yeah, there's a couple. Oh yeah, this goes in the car. It should close just fine. Because the seals are still a little snug. Yep, I need some adjusting. But for the most part, push the lock. There you go. It's sealed. Doesn't rattle anymore. I could only see a little light, maybe right there. That's better than seeing light all the way through. So, lesson learned, don't back out of the page that you're on and then click back on, and then you don't waste money buying this. So, yeah, I'll be posting those for sale probably later. So, those came in. I said I gotta finish that one. No one sells refills, so I bought these guys because they cost about the same. So I need to throw these on here because these are shot. And what else did I get? Oh yeah, I got the welts. So I bought new welts because, as you see, that's what you hear. Like this, as you see, it's all rotted out to hell. So that is what I've been up to. I've been, putting seals on the windows. I mean, it looks cool. I think they do make a one-piece window kit, or someone actually did do it on a, custom car. And I think it looks really, really cool. See? Ta-da! The window's in. Slide that rail in there. Squeeze it. Done. And then I gotta still replace these guys here, because I'm sure I showed you these things were absolutely toast, rock hard. They don't squeeze at all. So that is what I'm up to, trying to cut down the wind noise on my car. So hope you like this little update, the poopy time lapse, and whatever else shite editing I do. But until next time, thanks for liking, subscribing. Peace out.